Okay, we are here now on the second floor of building number 10. And what you see here around all this empty place, this is actually used only a few times in the year when we have big events with hundreds of people from around the world, or the Christmas party here at Blaser, or the summer event of Blaser. Here behind we have the largest seminary room or seminary hall for the biggest event with cleaners. And now we are entering the technology center with with 3 machining centers.
So no photographs here?
No. Yes, and here, maybe here, okay, follow me. Actually, we skipped now the camera and switch to audio because no photos here